back to my channel Learn with Deepika. In this video, we are going to study exercise 8.3 and it's very simple. So let's start. Question number 1. Evaluate. First part is sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. You can see 18 and 72 are complementary angle and we can write sine 18 degree as sine 90 minus 72 degree, and there will be no change in denominator. This is cos 72 degree. Now student, we can use formula, and the formula is sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. By using this formula, we can write sine 90 minus 72 as cos 72 degree, and denominator is cos 72 degree. From there you will get your answer as 1. Second part of this question is tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degree. This is similar to the previous question. Here you can see 26 and 64 are complementary angles, so we can write tan 26 as tan 90 degree minus 64 degree and denominator cot 64. Student, here you have to change either denominator or numerator. Now we will use formula, and the formula is tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. From this formula, your numerator will be cot 64 and denominator is also cot 64. From this you will get your answer as 1. Now we will move to our third part. Third part is cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Again 48 and 42 are complementary angles, so we can change either cos or sine. So we can write this cos 48 as cos 90 degree minus 42 degree, and no change in this term sine 42. Now we can use formula. Using formula, cos 90 minus theta is equals to sine theta. From this formula, cos 90 minus 42 will be equals to sine 42 degree, and sine 42 degree minus sine 42 is equals to 0. That's the answer. Question number 1, fourth part is cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Here also you can change cosec 31 as 90 minus 59 and minus sec 59 degree. Now student, you will use formula cosec 90 minus theta is equals to sec theta. Using this formula, you can write cosec 90 minus 59 degree is equals to sec 59 degree, and sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree is equals to 0. So this is our question number 1. Now we will move to question number 2. Question number 2, show that first part is tan 48 degree, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 is equals to 1. Student, you can see 48 degree and 42 degree are complementary angles, whereas 23 degree and 67 degree are also complementary angle. So I'll convert this tan in the form of cots. In order to do that, I'm gonna write tan 48 as tan 90 minus 42. And this one tan 23 as tan 90 minus 67, and there will be no change in other two terms. Tan 42 tan 67 is equals to 1. Now we have a formula, and the formula is tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Using this formula, you can write tan 90 minus 42 as cot 42 degree and tan 90 minus 67 as cot 67 degree, and remaining two terms tan 42 degree tan 67 degree is equals to 1. Now student, we know cot and tan are reciprocal to each other, so we can write cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta. That's the formula, and using this formula we can write cot 42 as 1 upon tan 42 degree. Similarly, cot 67 as 1 upon tan 67 degree, and remaining two terms tan 42 degree tan 67 degree is equals to 1. Now I'll cancel this tan 42 from denominator and tan 42 in numerator. Similarly, tan 67 and this tan 67. From this, in left hand side you will get 1, and RHS is also equals to 1. Now second question, second part, cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree and sin 52 degree. You can see this 38 degree and 52 degree are complementary angles, and I'll convert this cos in the form of sine. In order to do that, I'm gonna write cos 38 as cos 90 minus 52, and this cos 52 as cos 90 minus 38 degree, and remaining two terms sin 38 and sin 52 is equals to 0. Now we have formula cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Using this formula, we can write cos 90 minus 52 as sin 52 degree, and cos 90 minus 38 degree as sin 38 minus sin 38, and sin 52 is equals to 0. Now you can see sin 52, sin 38 minus sin 38, sin 52. So in left hand side you will get 0, and RHS is also equals to 0. Question number 3. If tan 2A is equals to cot A minus 18, where 2A is an acute angle, find the value of A. Student, this is given to us that tan 2A is equals to cot A minus 18, and also you have formula tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta. From this you can convert tan 2A in the form of cot. So by using this formula you will get value of tan 2A is equals to cot 90 minus 2A. So this is your equation number 1 which was given to you, and this is your equation number 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, you can write cot A minus 18 degree is equals to cot 90 minus 2A. Now from this you can write A minus 18 degree is equals to 90 degree minus 2A by taking A 2A to the left hand side and 18 degree to right hand side. In LHS it's 3A, and right hand side you will get 108 degree. Then value of A is equals to 108 degree upon 3. That comes out to be 36 degree. So in question they were asking you to find the value of A, and the value of A is 36 degree. Question number 4 is, if tan A is equals to cot B, prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degree. tan A is equals to cot B. This is given to us. And we can convert cot in the form of tan by using formula cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. From this formula we can write cot B is equals to tan 90 minus B. So this is our equation number 1 and equation number 2. From first and second equation, you can write tan A is equals to tan 90 minus B. If tan A is equals to tan 90 minus B, then their angle A is equals to 90 minus B are also equal. Now I'll shift B to left hand side, so this will become A plus B is equals to 90 degree. So we have proved that question A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Question number 5 is, if secant 4A is equals to cosec A minus 20 degree, where 4A is an acute angle, then find the value of A. Sec 4A is equals to cosec A minus 20 degree. This is given to us. Now either you can convert secant in the form of cosec or cosec in the form of sec. Like by using formula, I'll write sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta. That's a formula. Using this formula, you can write sec 4A is equals to cosec 90 minus 4A. Now this is our equation number 1 and equation number 2. From first and second equation, you can write cosec A minus 20 degree is equals to cosec 90 minus 4A. From this we can write angle A minus 20 degree is equals to angle 90 minus 4A. By taking A plus 4A to left hand side and 20 degree to right hand side, you will get 5A in LHS and 110 in RHS. When you divide 110 by 5, you will get the value of A, which comes out to be 22 degree. So in this question, your value of A is equals to 22 degree. Question number 6 is, if A, B and C are interior angle of a triangle ABC, then show that sine of B plus C upon 2 is equals to cos A upon 2. Let's take a triangle ABC, in which this angle is A, angle B and angle C. You can see the sum of angle A, B and C is 180 degree from angle sum property. And from this expression we will prove sine of B plus C upon 2 is equals to cos A upon 2. You can see in question B plus C is on left hand side and A upon 2 is on right hand side. So I'll keep B plus C in LHS and I'll shift A to the RHS. As there is B upon 2, C upon 2 and A upon 2 in question, so I'll divide left hand side and right hand side by 2. Now B plus C upon 2 is equals to 90 degree minus A upon 2. As in question, a sine of B plus C upon 2. So I'll take sine of B plus C upon 2 in left hand side and also in right hand side. 90 minus A upon 2. Now I'll convert sine 90 minus A by 2 in form of cos. So by using formula sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Using this formula you can write sine b plus c upon 2, and in right hand side we will use this formula. So this will become cos a upon 2, and you can see that we had to prove sine b plus c upon 2 is equals to cos a upon 2. Question number 7 is express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. We have sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. We can convert sine 67 in the form of sine 90 minus theta, like 90 minus 67 is equals to 23, and 90 minus 75 is equals to 15. So you can write sine 67 as 90 minus 23 degree, and cos 45 as cos 90 minus 15 degree. Now using formula, sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, and another formula, cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. By applying these two formula, you can write sine 90 minus 23 degree as cos 23 degree, and cos 90 minus 15 degree as sin 15 degree. Now you can see your angles 23 degree and 15 degree. They are in the range of 0 to 45 degree. So this is the way you can express these angles in the angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. So this is our exercise 8.3. Very simple exercise, simple formulas and very easy concept. And this is my first video using pen tablet. I hope you liked it. So keep watching my videos and stay tuned. Bye. Take care.